So Schuster, we want some jelly beans?
Yeah, I want some jelly beans.
Schuster, I don't know. Shelly, you want the green one?
No, I don't want the green one.
I think they won't yell at you.
Well, here's the yellow one. Here you go.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Nom nom nom.
Let's try to feed him again. You want the green one then? Do you want the green one? Sure. I said eat it, you son of a bitch. I don't want.
No.
Yeah, I guess you don't want jelly beans.